1, 2, 3. It actually looks pretty good. I think this should be a new trend.
It don't need no fixing. That's all it needs right here. Can I get a chicken quesadilla and a Baja Blast?
Before this video gets started, guys, I do want to mention that today is the last day to get entered for this 2023 Shelby Super Snake, along with $30,000 cash giveaway. And we just want to give you guys a quick little tour to show some of you guys what you might be missing out on. First off, 4 doors, fully loaded right here. This is probably the best truck that's just released out the factory. The Shelby Super Snake, beautiful interior, got the red stitching. Let's show you guys the front right quick as well. Look at that right there. And we bought this sucker brand spanking new from the dealership. And you know what? Now we're just gonna hand the keys over to one lucky winner. I mean, look at this sucker, dude. The beautiful chrome wheels on it. We didn't change a single thing on this thing because we absolutely just loved it. Look at this front end, super aggressive. Beautiful avalanche gray color right here with the stripes going all the way to the back. And also do not forget that it's fully carpeted in the back and covered as well. I mean, this thing is just perfect for all occasions. You can take your kids to school. You can go take your boat out to the lake. I mean, you can go traveling with this thing. There's just so much, just unlimited things you can do with this sucker right here. So be sure not to miss out on this opportunity of a lifetime. One of you guys is gonna get that phone call that you get to take this home along with $30,000 cash. Check out goonzquad.com. Check out all the official rules. Copy some gear, and you might just be the one.
This is a swipe right here, dude.
Dude, somebody literally, what the heck is that, dude? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the Goon Squad garage. As you guys seen in the previous video, we have been cranking away at this G63 right here, and we're almost done with the framework. We've done as much as we possibly can with the tools that we got and the parts that we got, and basically we are stumped. We can't move any further, and this is the part that we hate, waiting for parts pretty much. And the only parts that we really need is that header panel that runs across the top right there, and also this door. And without that header panel, we can't figure out if that roof is 100% straight. And also without this door, we can't figure out if we need to adjust anything else. So literally, we can't do anything else. But you know what, guys? Those parts are on the way, and they're gonna be in within maybe a couple of days. So we might have to skip out on one G63 video, but we got something epic for you guys. In the meantime, we can't just sit around and not put out content for you guys. So you know what? We're gonna go ahead and roll some epicness. Bro, where's he going?
Hey, what if he left us this truck?
No, leave the bad side. Well, it's got a solar panel in the back. It's got a solar panel in the back. I'm just kidding. That's the rear glass. This thing looks crazy, dude. What is that? Nice.
2 keys. Go grab one. No, you ain't pulling that.
It'll untie. It's untying right now.
It's perfectly fine, dude. This thing's good.
that. All right, so before anybody says we don't finish anything up, we got too many builds and all that stuff. Hey, this building just got finished up. The Urus got finished up, the Aventador and all that good stuff. Guys, you just got to trust the process. I mean, right now we only got the Porsche and the Mercedes unfinished right now, and that's not enough for us. We want more unfinished projects. Well, 3 is our limit, honestly, and right here is number 3, this beautiful Super Duty that we had hidden for a couple of weeks now, and this thing's a beast. We actually had an idea of possibly doing a very first time on Goon Squad, and that's rebuilding this whole entire truck all in one video. It'll be a super epic video. I think that'll be super unique, you know, take a couple of days and just rebuild this thing. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it might look scary, but G63 scary is nothing like this one right here.
Dude, this one right here is actually going to be pretty dang simple to rebuild, but I guess we'll just have to dig into it a little bit
Fingers
more.
crossed.
I say right now we pull it out and away from this back end over here,
This
dude.
hidden spot. So let's just pull it out there and check this thing out.
What the heck is that,
Dude, that's some crustaceans right there, man. That's, dude, a whole entire crawfish bowl in the back of this truck, like an old one, and it. Oh, dude, that whole bag don't open it. It stinks.
Oh my gosh, dude. They just left a crawdaddy boil, dude.
Slap your mama sauce right on top of that stuff, man. That stinks.
That's
right
the
there.
craziest thing we have ever found in a wrecked vehicle,
Dude,
right there,
crawfish, that is insane. They probably had like greasy fingers after they were done eating and sideswiped this thing, because that is a side swipe. Look at that. The whole entire side. Like somebody swiped it and just kept on swiping. I mean, all the way throughout this whole entire thing. And this thing just ripped it up like a can opener, because this thing is pretty much like a can. It's all aluminum, you know? There's no steel whatsoever, dude.
These new trucks the body panels are all aluminum, which it looks super bad, but honestly, guys,
2 doors.
2 doors, a bedside, and a fender. It's all you need.
And you hit the road. Honestly, that's why we kind of want to do all in one video, because it's just this side right here. So from tail light to headlight, just that side, stay on it, slap some parts on there, you're good to go. But this is a good looking truck. It's a 2022 F250 Trimmer. I don't know what that means. I still haven't figured it out yet. I wonder if that's just a badge that the dealer slaps on there, or does it come with just some black accent, because it does say Lariat right there. So that's all it is to me, you know, it's a Lariat.
That's
a
dealer gimmick, dude. They just slap on a side step, a little leveling kit, and they mark it up 20 grand, dude.
Easily, dude. But good thing that nothing else is damaged on this thing. Like this side is perfect right here. We got a little bit of nastiness going on right there.
A little sauce.
Dude, that is disgusting. The inside's even worse. There's trash in there, trash back there. The rear glass, or all the glass on that side, busted out, so it got the inside super dusty and dirty. It came
from Texas.
Yeah, it's Texas. So Texas, man, every vehicle from Texas is like
dusty. Dude.
I think the G63 came from Texas, didn't it?
It did.
And it was
that's
super
from
dusty.
California, I believe so.
Oh, well, it came through the same area and it was dusty right there. But honestly, guys, we don't even have to fix this thing. You know what I mean?
I'm telling you, it's a run and drive.
Run and drive, and no suspension. It has tail lights. It has headlights that still kind of function. So I say we can just not even fix it. Just jump in it and start driving, dude.
Let's just at least clean it.
Dude, we got to clean it and let's hit the road.
We'll get you a new one. Don't worry. It's a monster. That's a gator eater right there. Listen to this. It's like walking at the beach.
Slip. Yeah, mama touched it.
You know you're in Texas when you get a whole thing arranged.
Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. like this, man. You don't like this, man? Dude, I'm a sucker for crawfish. What kind of truck do you want, Pop?
Ford Ranger.
New one or old one?
Ford Ranger.
All right, this sucker got cleaned up. It's time to hit the road,
Dude,
dude.
the interior's clean, the exterior, you know, we'll clean that a little bit later, but dude, it looks way better on the inside.
Dude, it was so filthy, but man, it's pretty sweet in there. We'll show you guys the whole entire interior walkthrough after we go and get some food.
Get some food, go for a test rip. We can actually, this is our first vehicle that we can actually go for an official test rip.
Right off the Copart.
Right
dude.
off the trailer, dude.
I think that door is supposed to do that, honestly.
It's Lambo doors, but backwards.
Do a quick 0 to 60.
Yeah.
How's the oil in this thing?
I haven't checked it, but I mean, everything looks pretty legit on temperature-wise. Hold on.
Dang.
Wanting to go to third gear all the time.
Can you put it in like manual mode?
Yeah, that's what I was doing right here, but it kept shifting. I wonder if there's an overdrive.
I love that smell right there.
Oh, it's the best.
Drive modes, put it in slippery. Maybe that'll help.
Eco slippery.
No, I don't think that'll work.
Oh,
It's
dang.
got rock crawl mode?
Yeah, there's all sorts of modes. I didn't even know that.
Dang, that might be like the cool features of these
The
trimmer.
new trucks, yeah. Oh, it's good now.
F250 versus F450. Pops, let's line these two trucks up.
What?
This truck versus that truck. Let's do it.
Nah.
Come on, we gotta test it out. Dually versus two-wheel drive. I'm just curious. 1, 2, 3.
That one's faster. I was full throttle.
What? All right, so we're already kind of in the racing mood before we hit the streets with the trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the Dodge Ram, the 2024 Ram, and see how it does against the 2022 Power Stroke. Cummins versus Power Stroke. I'm gonna fire this sucker up. I think it's gonna win. Bone stock versus bone stock.
Ah. Spinning. Can I get a chicken quesadilla and a Baja Blast? Thank you. Thank you. Do you guys have the 50-cent burger?
No, we do not.
All right, let me just get one cheeseburger. How am I gonna afford to fix this thing?
You have a good one.
Thank you. They just do not care.
All right, guys, so we are back from our very first test drive, and look at the lot right now, man. We got trucks all over the place. We got the Shelby, we got the F250, F450, the Raptor, and the Dodge, man. We got plenty of trucks, but of course that one is gonna be leaving here really soon. Also, the white Dodge is gonna be leaving here really soon, so we're really left with 3. The dually is nice for heavy hauling. This is gonna be a nice, like, everyday truck around the shop.
Hey, hauling that red boat back there,
Dude,
man.
you might be onto something. That's gonna be insane. But anyways, guys, let's just go ahead and hop into the interior. Let's go on that side right there. It's a little easier to get in.
You don't want to get in through the Lambo doors?
No, man, they're kind of sketchy. You might like to get
You might cut yourself.
Exactly. But look at this, guys. We cleaned it up as best as possible right here. This is a nice black interior. It's definitely gonna need a lot more cleanup, but for the most part, we got that dust, those glass shards and all that good stuff. And look at this right here. This is huge for Ford right here. A massive screen update. I absolutely love that. Nothing like the Dodge now, but you know what? That's awesome.
Hey, that's clean. I think that's the same screen as in the Bronco that we got, and it has like Apple CarPlay.
Yep.
It's just a big upgrade, dude.
Exactly. And as far as this interior goes, no sunroof. But I guess, do you ever use a sunroof?
Never. I don't think I've ever used a sunroof on any of our cars.
It's pretty cool, but this one doesn't have it. We got some blown air roof airbags and also seat airbags. Probably gonna do a super sick custom leather kit. In the back over here, look at that, dude. Got it cleaned up as well. This is probably where the majority of that glass was. Definitely gonna get cleaned up a little bit better later, but as of right now, while it's raining, let's go ahead and use it to our advantage and get this sucker looking brand spanking new with a nice exterior wash.
Dang, son. Dude, this thing cleaned up. Dude, look at that. It looks like a brand new truck. I mean, pretty much is on this side. I mean, that looks super good. The red, I mean, this thing is unique. I've never seen that red. Almost look maroonish. I don't know, man. That's a cool looking red right there.
It's a really good looking red. It's got a bunch of pearls and metallics in it. And I just love how it looks overall. Honestly, this is a great looking stock truck.
Yeah,
dude.
right out of the factory. I think it's because they did red on black, which just looks super good on anything, like black wheels and stuff like that, mirrors, no chrome at all. So that's a really good thing. I mean, honestly, whenever we're going to finish this thing up, I say we do like something crazy. Maybe like a big lift with some super sweet wheels and tires.
Hey, this build right here is going to be a complete surprise. We're not even going to let you guys know what we're going to do to this thing. You guys will just see a one video where it gets completely rebuilt.
That's the plan.
Yep.
I mean, that'll be pretty epic. So we're going to try to do everything we can to make that happen. It's going to be super epic. Just do something pretty epic on this thing. This is going to be legit build right here. And that's the plans for it. But as for the other build that we're going to build for you guys is this truck right here. This beautiful 2024 Ram. And I mean, we need suggestions in the comments as soon as we need a bunch of them, because we're going to be looking at them because we are ready to order stuff for this thing and just transform this truck completely. You know
100%, I mean? Yeah. Go ahead and drop comments down below. We're going to be looking at all the comments, guys, because this truck is going to be this is basically your guys' truck. One lucky person is going to win this truck in the future sometime.
Yeah, for sure. So we need lift kits suggestions. We need wheels. We need tire suggestions. We need suggestions on paint. Should we paint match this, or should we paint this black right here? Should we delete the chrome? You know, all sorts of things, bumpers, anything, you know. I think this will be a unique and epic build.
Yes, sir. And you know what? That's going to be in the really near future. probably before this truck even, dude.
You never know.
So that's gonna be pretty much a wrap for today's video, guys. And don't forget, today's the last day to get entered into the 2023 Shelby Super Snake, along with $30,000 cash giveaway. This is gonna absolutely change somebody's life, so don't miss out on this opportunity of a lifetime. You could be the one to get that phone call. Check out goonzquad.com, copy some gear, check out all the official rules, and you might just be the lucky winner. But with all that being said, thank you guys for all the love and support. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.